Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about window tips, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply locate program files and manage install apps on your window PC. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do on your window PC, press Window plus X, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to press K. And this run dialog box here is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to navigate to Healthy Boot Page Files, Crash Dump, Basic Data Partition. Right click on that, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Open, and you will be taken to this particular page. Right here, you can simply locate the program file right here and press Enter key on your keyboard. Then you have all the program file that you have on your window PC open up like so. Then from here, you can locate the particular software you want to copy and paste the program file right here in order to manage and maintain what you are installed on your window PC. It's that simple. So I hope you really got value from this video. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your window PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.